we had some 3/4 inch irrigation tubing that was running underneath the conduit of our driveway, which unfortunately had a leak in the very middle. We're not entirely sure why. So instead of just getting irrigation tubing to replace the injured section, we decided to do something a little bit more sturdy, which is this PVC pipe. So this PVC pipe that we got, it came in a 20-foot length and a 10-foot length. And what we decided to do was come over here to the middle. And the way that this is cut, this 10-foot pipe is gonna be inserted into this piece. And inside we got some glue, which I'll show you here momentarily. And we're gonna do 5 swabs of glue on the inside of this PVC pipe, and then insert this into the opening. And then we also have some connectors. The connectors look like this. And the gray part is gonna be inserted into the 3/4 inch irrigation tubing that's already in the ground still. So we're gonna glue this end as well. Insert this into this adapter. This gray piece is then gonna be inserted into the irrigation tubing. And then we got a clamp that's gonna clamp down on this side in the tubing to ensure that it doesn't come apart. Now, if there is an issue with the conduit, or if there's something jagged inside the conduit underneath the driveway, it will have a much harder time causing damage to this PVC pipe. It'll be a better fix in the end. Here we have 3/4 inch PVC pipe. And the way that this is cut, we've got the opening end, and this is our insertion end. I've already tested it to make sure that this inserts easily and it's okay. Now what we have is this, which is 721 PVC glue. And what this is going to do is we're gonna insert this and glue the inside of the PVC pipe, and then we're gonna insert this to make sure there's a really tight seal. We're gonna do this about 5 times. Inside the lid is the brush to apply the glue. What we're then gonna do is have this dry for about 4 to 5 hours before we turn on our water to the line itself. So, I'm gonna insert this, if you can see the inside. I'm just gonna dab one more time. It does dry really, really fast. Recommend wearing gloves so that you don't get it on yourself. And now I'm gonna get this PVC pipe and I'm gonna insert it, and I'm gonna twist it as I put it in to make sure it's inserted all the way really well. And just for good measure, I'm gonna apply it to the outside as well, because this is gonna be going under the conduit of my driveway. I've got extra of this without much need of it beyond what we're doing, so I'm gonna really cake it on. Now I have an adapter, which is a PVC pipe adapter to the 3/4 inch irrigation tubing, which we have right here, which is in my ground already. So I'm gonna apply the glue to the inside of the bigger portion, jam this inside, twisting motion on. Again, wearing gloves. Making sure this is on really, really good. I'm gonna get this, jam it on the inside, spin really tight. I'm gonna do the same thing I did on the other side, which is apply glue. Since I have extra, I really want to make sure that this is on tight. Good. Again, there's no threads on PVC pipe, which is why we're using the glue. We're gonna do it to the other side. Okay, we're gonna repeat this process one more time with the PVC glue, applying it heavily to the inside. You can see on the inside we've got lots and lots of glue. I'm gonna insert the pipe inside using a twisting motion. Glue. Again, this should dry for about 4 or 5 hours before it's safe to turn on your irrigation water. And that's it.